Yeah!
Wow, that was so badass.
She's doing another one. I'm gonna take some kind of picture of Naomi lighting fireworks barefoot. And what, hanging out. Yeah. That's photo op.
Aww. Woo! Who's next? Hey, did you know there was one in there called Zombie? Yeah, she's like, there's one here called Zombie. I'm like, we should save that for last. Wow, I can't pick that flashlight up on my phone. Who's gonna want to sit on YouTube and watch a nothing but a dark video? Right? Take forever. One more? It looks so crazy on the phone. Yeah. That heat, yeah. Little brat.
Still raining. That food's getting cold. Yeah, we better eat, man.
Can we do one more? One more. Let's go.
I got YouTube videos of us. Run! Run! Get out the way.
Run! Oh, you didn't like yours.
Oh, my leg. Ow.
Oh, the grass is on fire.
Yeah. Folks.
Oops.
Man, it is sprinkling.
That's why Andrew's staying over there. Yeah, I told you, man. I like this direction. Alright, let's see. I'm a pirate in this party.
That is so awesome.
AJ, you simply must show me the pictures from all of this. All of them. All of them. Not just the good ones. All of them.
Nah, man. A lot of them suck. There's only a few that are gems. That's why you have to pick a lot, you know?
That's why I like to pick mine.
Well, yeah.
See, everybody's got a different eye.
Well, yeah. That's all it is. Different perspective.
Thank you for reminding me, Kat.
What?
I forgot that I had a beer on the ground. And you said something about a drink. I remember my beer on the ground. Did you enjoy that, Kai?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I am bit up.
I'm fine.
Oh
I'll probably smell like charcoal though. Oh my God, there's light.
I don't know what. Thank you. She made me kiss the chicken. Oh, he hits me in the he hits me in the face with a hot dog.
That was hilarious. She's on Skype with somebody else. And he just goes in the fridge, grabs a wiener, just goes,
Right in the face. That's horrible.
Everybody look all polarized.
I was making a drink.
I broke my finger. See? Why did you do it?
Taller.
The last one. Burn on my finger.
Everybody else do with their drinks, or does somebody need one? Hello? People?
You know what? I'd like one.
I left my cup downstairs. Do you want a drink, Kat?
I think I still have some.
I'm not.
Spicy ground mustard, dude. What's that?
Kat, do you need one?
Tanya!
I would like one.
That's how you get our attention. Uh-uh. She's already walking in.
Good hack.
There you go.
Butterballs and biscuits.
Thanks for that.
Okay. What do you need?
Ice. Here you go. Well, maybe you should.
Uh-oh, you're distracting me.
How you gotta kick me?
Who?
I don't know, but look how crazy it looks. It's all funky colors and stuff.
That's how my zombie pictures came out.
I can't see you. It's too dark in there.
Yeah, lighting's always an issue. Lighting's really everything, dude. Lighting makes you look like God.
It's funny you say that because you look like a god right now. Yes. I'm waiting 20 more seconds right now, and then I'm going to stop recording.
Okay.
Well, 1 or 2?
1 or 2, Kai. That's a number, not a question. No, 2. Good boy.
Oh my God.